This drink made billions by putting cocaine in every bottle, got away with funding death squads, and may have destroyed entire communities without you ever knowing. But the truth? They don't want you to know this. What if I told you Coca-Cola's history is darker than you ever imagined, and it's still happening today? Coca-Cola was invented in 1886 by a Confederate veteran named John Pemberton, a morphine addict. His magical drink? It was originally packed with cocaine extracted from coca leaves and caffeine from cola nuts. That's literally where the name comes from. Yes, real cocaine, sold in American pharmacies as a health tonic to tired workers and anxious housewives. It was so addictive that by 1903, public concern forced Coca-Cola to remove the cocaine. Or did they? The coca leaves were still legally imported, processed, and the cocaine removed, but sold separately to pharmaceutical companies. Should a company that built its empire on cocaine still be celebrated today? Comment yes or no below. By the 1920s, Coca-Cola wasn't just a drink, it was a symbol of whiteness and power. Coca-Cola refused to advertise in black publications for decades. Even when black Americans were dying in wars or fighting for civil rights, the brand stayed silent.
Mr. Green?
Yeah.
You need any help? I just want you to know, I think you're the best ever.
Yeah, sure.
Want my Coke? It's okay, you can have it.
No.
Really, you can have it.
Okay.
And when Pepsi began targeting black communities, Coca-Cola executives held emergency meetings to protect their market share. They didn't just ignore racism, they strategized around it. The company later tried to cover it all up with diversity campaigns and smiling ad reels. But what happened in Colombia and Guatemala was even worse. Coca-Cola bottling plants were linked to paramilitary death squads allegedly hired to assassinate union leaders. Workers demanding better pay were reportedly kidnapped, tortured, or murdered. Coca-Cola denies direct involvement, but multiple lawsuits and witness testimonies paint a chilling picture. Should companies be held responsible for crimes committed by their partners? Comment your thoughts below.
Presentaremos en una corte federal en la Florida una demanda contra Coca-Cola por la violación permanente de los derechos de los trabajadores y por varios crímenes que se han cometido contra dirigentes sindicales. Son crímenes y violaciones que la autoridad o las autoridades colombianas desde hace muchos años han tenido en sus gavetas de sus escritorios, pero que lo que ha brillado es la total impunidad de estos crímenes.
Even today, Coca-Cola is one of the biggest plastic polluters in the world. In India, Coca-Cola factories drained entire villages dry, leaving people without water and jobs. They've been banned in multiple locations for abusing water resources, yet the ads keep showing smiles, beaches, and families. Behind every bottle is a trail of addiction, pollution, and silenced voices. Coca-Cola spends over $4 billion a year on advertising to make you feel happy. But is it real happiness or a manufactured illusion? The same brand that sold cocaine, ignored racism, and crushed unions is now sponsoring the Olympics and shaping health studies. Oh yeah, they've been caught paying scientists to downplay sugar's effects, so maybe it's not just what's in the bottle, it's what's behind it. A man in India named Surendra once owned a small farm until a Coca-Cola plant opened nearby. Within 3 years, his well dried up. His family's land was worthless. He tried to fight back, but he was one voice against a $280 billion giant. And yet, Coca-Cola calls itself a champion of sustainability. In our next episode, we uncover how Nestle stole water from indigenous lands and made you pay for it. Subscribe so you don't miss it. If this shocked you even a little, smash that like button so YouTube shows it to more people. Subscribe for more untold stories corporations don't want you to know. And tell me in the comments, should Coca-Cola be canceled or forgiven?